Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to perform a factory reset on your Bose Portable Home Speaker. First, power on the device. It's connected to an iPhone just to show the reset process. Now press and hold the volume up button and the Bluetooth icon together for about 10 seconds until you see a blue or white light. Once the light appears, let go of the buttons and it will disconnect from the iPhone. The device should now be as new after the factory reset. That's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Please consider subscribing, leaving a like, and a comment below.